everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this thermal label printer and I am super excited to show you. Teachers, this is perfect for you. Anyone who loves a good label in their home, this is for you. This is how big it is. Look how tiny this is. I love it. It comes with labels already, and you open it by pressing this side button here, and then you are ready to go. Turn it on here. You can charge it here. It does come with a charging cord, but you need your own adapter to charge it. I pre-charged it for us. You also need to download an app. It is for Android or for iOS. I already downloaded the app. I picked a label. You can make the label anything you want, or you can use one of their pre-made labels. I just picked a pre-made one. I'm going to go to print. That's how fast it prints. Let's watch that again. I'll put my hand up so you can see it. Look at that. And you are done. The quality of these labels is amazing, really good and sticky. Just a awesome little item for your home. We label everything. We label the lights. You know how sometimes you have a light switch and you always press the wrong one? We label bins with items that we need to keep. We label the storage containers in the pantry. So if you love a label like I do, this is a winner. Highly recommend.